Road. Okay, so the first race obviously is the presidential. My final totals. Donald Trump, 6,790. Kamala Harris, 3,766. Chase Oliver, 45. Claudia De La Cruz, 4. William Stoughton, 3. Robert Kennedy, 104. Shiva, I don't know how to pronounce the last name, 2 votes. 36 write-ins, 92 undervotes, and 14 overvotes. All right, the United States Rep District 2. Ashley Henson, 6,720. Sarah Corkery, 3,573. Jody Puffett, 224. Write-in 6, undervote 322, overvote 11. Then I have State Senator District 30. 490, write-ins 15, undervotes 568, overvotes 2. Then I have State Representative District 67. Craig Johnson, 5,105. Write-in 188, undervotes 1,393, and overvotes of 1. State Rep District 68. Ingalls, 2,628. O'Brien, 1,286. Write-in 3, undervotes 451, overvotes 1.
Undervote 250.
251. That's what I have. What did I say?
450.
Oh, I have 251.
I didn't check there.
That's all right. Okay, so now,
Can I ask a question here, back up to Craig Johnson, was them write-ins of 188, was that pretty much maybe one person, or was there a lot of names on that?
many names. So per code, if a person gets 10 votes as a write-in, then they have to appear on the canvas. We didn't have that.
Oh, okay, there wasn't a total of 10.
So it's very random.
Yeah. Okay, so now I go to the judges. And we start with David May. Got it?
Yep.
Okay, I gotta get to the total page. Yes, 5,442. No, 2,759. Oh, yeah. 2,648 undervotes, 7 overvotes. Now we go to Mary Ciccelli. 5,360 yes, 2,580 no, 2,914 undervotes, and 2 overvotes. And now we have Samuel Langholtz. 5,034 yes, 2,724 no, undervotes of 3,094, overvotes of 4. Mary Tabor. Yes, 5,325, no, 2,501, undervotes 3,029, overvotes of 1. Tyler Buller. Yes, 5,190, no, 2,567, undervotes 3,094, overvotes of 5. Kelly Ann LeCaire. Yes, 5,400, no, 2,393, undervotes 3,062, overvotes of 1. David Stout. Yes, 5,188, no, 2,514, undervotes 3,152, overvotes of 2. John Sullivan. Yes, 5,387, no, 2,365, Undervotes, 3,102, and overvotes of 2.
And I think Sullivan is our resident judge here.
Yes. Andrea Dreyer, 5,392 of yes, no is 2,411, undervotes is 3,049, overvotes is 4. Then we have Patrick Wegman. Yes, 5,369, no, 2,393,
Did you say 5,359? I got
69.
69.
Okay. Undervotes, 3,089, overvotes of 5. Brooke Jacobson. Yes, 5,392, no, 2,320, undervotes, 3,142, overvotes of 2. Constitutional Amendment 1. Yes, 7,875, and no of 2,152, undervotes of 828, and overvotes of 1. And then we have Constitutional Amendment number 2. Yes is 8,178, no is 1,649, undervotes is 1,029, and no overvotes. Okay, now we're gonna bounce back to the Board of Supervisors. Everybody ready?
Yeah.
Wheelan, 5,305, Wolfpool, 5,023, write-ins of 15, undervotes of 507, and overvotes of 6. Then we go to County Auditor, Wilgenbush, 8,949, write-ins 100, undervotes 1,805, and overvotes of 2. We go to the Sheriff, Bazinski, 9,204, write-ins 76, undervotes 1,575, and overvotes of 1. Hospital Trustee, and this was elect 2. We had 2 run-in, so Robinson had 6,627, McMillan 7,278. We had write-ins of 70, undervotes of 7,733, and overvotes of 4.
It's crazy.
Isn't it really insane? Soil and Water, and this was elect 3. And so we had Cocking for 4,770, Lindsay 5,160, Walhart 4,514, Dolan 4,855, write-ins of 51, undervotes of 13,167, overvotes of 51. The undervotes is really weird when you're electing multiples, like elect 3, because it doubles everything. It makes the numbers look insane. Okay, Ag Extension. This one was elect 4. Albert, 4,959. Thompson, 4,009. Martins, 4,309. Kress, 5,653. Donnelly, 5,269. Write-ins, 54. Undervotes, 19,105. And overvotes of 5.
56.
56.
Yeah.
Yeah, I guess I just wanted to leave off the 6. Okay, Public Measure CD.
And overvotes are when they vote for too many.
Yeah, so like on that Ag Extension, it was elect 4, there was 5 running, so people just probably
Mark them all.
marked them all. They didn't read what they were supposed to be doing. Okay, Public Measure CD. Yes, 5,928, and no, 4,067. Overvotes, this one shocked me, 858.
Undervotes.
Undervotes, yeah.
Well,
So that was people that didn't vote that race.
when I went in to vote that day, that guy didn't tell me to turn my ballot over. Had I not known that there was something on the back.
It clearly, but the ballot clearly states 2 sides. It's on the bottom, it says turn ballot over.
Right.
So it can't go back on the PEO. The voter has to pay attention to what they're voting.
Right, that's true too, but it
Mhm.
would just been nice if you would have said, remember to turn the ballot over.
And a lot of people don't even, a lot of people just vote the president and that's it.
And they're done.
Yep. Okay, and overvotes on that one was 3. And then last but not least, the Union School Public Measure. We had a total of 74 registered voters in that area. And 27 voted yes, and 22 voted no, and 3 of them didn't even vote at all for it. And I think that one, it did not pass by less than 100 votes. And so they were thinking we may possibly have a recount.
Cause I wasn't on my ballot and stuff like that, but what was that public measure?
And that was for,
Union, LaPorte City Union School, a bond issue.
A bond issue for
Yes.
a building or something?
Yeah, and so there is 74 voters in LaPorte School District. Oh, that worked out well, in our county, and they vote in Brandon. And that's probably the highest turnout I've ever had for that school district on any election. Usually I'm lucky to get 1 or 2 voters.
And that's probably because it was on the presidential general.
Yep. Yeah. Okay, so that's what I got for this. And, so on the canvas, it's just the first page you guys need to sign. On the abstract of votes, it's every single page. And then you get to do the same thing all over again, because these copies go to the Secretary of State's office. I have to have them in the mail by Monday. And then this is just an abstract for a union that I have to send to Blackhawk County. So then, all that I need is a motion to accept the canvas and file it with the Secretary of State's office.
I make that.
I have a second.
First and second, all in favor?
Aye.
All opposed? Nobody's opposed.
Okay.
We accept the canvas.
Motion to adjourn. Unless we have a couple of comments from the ghost out there.
What, have we decided how long we have to wait before we can put the EMS measure back on the ballot? Does that have to wait for a countywide election?
I think it can be a special, I don't know. I have not looked into it, and I know that email, and I haven't heard from the county attorney, so.
All right.
Yeah, Sean didn't really respond with a good answer, but
According to code, it looks like you can do specialist, especially they call that special or everything.
we won't spend $30,000 on a special election, which is.
Yeah, because just my workers, you guys approved that the other day, just the workers was 25,000.
Yeah.
That doesn't include the ballots, the programming.
One of those precincts would, well. Jessup has 2 precincts in it. One of them is people, well, no, they go Blackhawk County, never mind the other way in Gilbertville.
Correct.
Are you recording this?
Yeah, because you haven't adjourned yet. I had a motion, I didn't have a second.
Yeah, cause John had a question.
I will second the motion to adjourn.
All right, all in favor?
All right.
Aye.